Yo, vlog. Saturday today. 7:25. Getting ready for practice. Ironing my shirt right now. You feel me? Alright, so hey man. Today's gonna be lit, man. We will get practice over with. I'll probably vlog there for a little bit, you feel me? Coach is gonna chew me. I didn't show up to practice yesterday. If y'all know, I had like a stomach bug. Turns out that my grandpa and my dad had it too. I don't know what it is. But it doesn't look good, you feel me? So, all three of us got sick or whatever. You know, it was just a lot more manageable today. So we finna head to practice. I'll hit y'all back later. Harris clapped, you feel me? Just woke up, you feel me? So, gang, we out. Yo, vlog. So, you feel me? I got here 7:45-ish, man. I texted somebody that said practice at 9. That's crazy. I shut up here early for nothing. But they just opened the gates. We better go inside. I only see one person here. I'm finna go in, whatever. Feel me? So I'll pick the vlog up. Probably before and after practice, you feel me? So let's get out of here.
What up, vlog? It's your boy.
Vlog out, you feel me? That's it. Vlog out. Type shit. Yo, vlog. We just got home from basketball practice. Trash, dude. Coach was chewing my ass up. He called me out and said I wasn't there for 3 years, man. So I got work to put in. You feel me? Just got home. Dogs are fed. Crazy, man. We better mop up the floor. Look at this floor. Nasty. All that piss. All that blood, like. So nasty. Like the wall, bro. This shit all over the wall and everything, dog. Like, what is this, dog? So, we gotta clean them up, you feel me? Can't see it too much on camera, but it's nasty. It's filthy. You feel me? So, we better mop them up. I haven't even ate yet. It's 11. I've been out since 7. You feel me? So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna eat. Finish the other half of the room, and then see if I can get my car done right now. So I'll catch it later, man. Yo, vlog. It's about to be 1. About to eat right now. Haven't cleaned the dogs yet. Just did half of the room. We were messing out the chrome on my car, and it was too difficult, so we're gonna try to get tape. Not tape, paint. We're gonna spray paint it instead of putting the vinyl on. It's too difficult to get the little edges on. Feel me? So we're gonna go to AutoZone in a second. Going down this truck, man. Crazy, man. Put work into this. And close to that. It's crazy. Really just sitting here now.
Not the door, the window open. Yeah, clean it.
is so nice, man. You feel me? Truck is so nice, bro. We're trying to get like garbage out here, man. It's my uncle's truck. He passed away almost 4 years ago now. So just been sitting here. No one's been working on it, no one's been looking at it. I wash it time to time, you feel me? But I've been so busy. I haven't been working on it. You know, trying to save it for his kids. Crazy, man. You feel me? So I would take it out every once in a while, you feel me? But I don't want that pressure to have anything bad happen to it, you feel me? So it's clean though, it's hella clean. So go to AutoZone probably. Maybe take the truck out for a wash, might go drive it later. I wanted that truck too. I was gonna buy it. I was gonna buy it before I got my car, but I was like, let me just get a car real quick, bro. Truck's too much gas. I already wasted enough gas as it is. You feel me? So, some stuff, man. Yo, vlog. My uncle, feel me? Tough, man. Clean. Clean, man, clean. Yo, gang. Forgot I had work, you feel me? Every time I go to work, I feel like all my energy gets drained because of the environment, man. So, what I want to start to do, you feel me, is I want to be my own boss. I've been talking about it for a while, you feel me? I'm not trying to work a regular job. I'm not trying to have a regular life, man. I'm trying to be my own boss. So what I think I'm going to start to do is get back to straight just hustling. Hustle, man. You feel me? So I think I'm going to start mowing lawns or whatever, you feel me? And do whatever I have to so I don't have to work a job, you feel me? I'm only job I'm trying to work at is a gym and like a vet hospital, you feel me? If it's not that job, I don't want it, you feel me? So what I think I'm gonna start to do, I might get back into reselling sneakers. I'm heavy into that, you feel me? Heavy into reselling, like just reselling in general, you feel me? Sneakers, crazy. I want to do detailing. Detailing on cars would be tough too. That would be hard. Reselling sneakers, detailing, I want to get into that. Mowing lawns, I want to get into that one too. You feel me? I might wash cars too, you feel me? I might wash cars. So come at me if you need your car washed, if you need your grass cut, if you need some sneakers, dog, you feel me? Get at me right now. And I might start selling chips at school and whatever, you feel me? I don't know yet, you feel me though? So if you need any of that, get at me. If you need a video edited, and you feel me? If you need something edited, you feel me? I can do that too. You feel me? I know I don't do a lot of my vlogs. I don't edit a lot of my vlogs, you feel me? But I'll put some time in, man. I'll put some real time in. You tell me how you want it. I'll do it like that. I'll send you a little preview of how I started the video, you feel me? And you just tell me if you need some touches, if you need this, like a whole different style, you feel me? I'll do it, you feel me? So if you want to edit, have a video edited, put a slide together, whatever, you know, let me know, cause I'm not trying to work a job, you feel me? So, you feel me? At the same time, that works on my self-discipline. You feel me? That works on my just overall being. You feel me? Because if I'm not working a job, I have to make some money somehow. And if I'm not making money, if I'm not putting that time in, you feel me? I'm not gonna have money. You feel me? That's simple. So, you know, it's harder work, I feel like, to be your own boss, you feel me? But it's worth it. It's worth it, man, because you don't have to listen to nobody else, you feel me? So, that's, hey, man, that's another thing, like, consistency, man. Like, if I keep, you feel me? Like, if you guys were with me during my workout, you feel me? Like, my workout era, you feel me? Like, when I was doing all my my transformation, my 3-month transformation, man, blew up crazy. I blew up crazy, man. I was at like 47 subscribers. Now I'm at 247. I think that's what I'm at. You feel me? So consistency is key, man. Yeah, I feel like everybody says a lot, but it's true. You feel me? So consistency is key. You know, these videos are a little slower compared to the shorts that I put out. You feel me? But what's up, kid, man? So consistency, man. You feel me? So like, you never know, man. You could blow up. I could blow up tomorrow. I could blow up in the next 2 months. I could blow up on my birthday. I could blow up. You feel me? So consistency is key, man. It could take a day, take an hour, man. It could take 6 years, bro. But consistency is key. You feel me? So motivational talk for today. Keep striving towards your goals, man. Be a better person every single day. Do something to better yourself. Do something to better someone else, too. You feel me? Brighten someone's day. Make their day, whatever, man. You feel me? Get at it. Keep working, man. It's tough, but it's worth it, man. So, finna get at y'all later, probably tomorrow. Hey, man. I appreciate every one of you guys that tune in to the videos, you feel me? If you're new here, subscribe. If you make it to this far of the video, you feel me? But appreciate you guys. We out, man. Yo, vlog. It's currently the next day. I didn't pick the camera up for reasons that I didn't want the person to see if she watches, you feel me? So, I didn't film the outro, so this is the outro, you feel me? Hey, man. Be a better you every single day. Put all your effort to anything that you're doing, man. You'll accomplish it, man, and you'll exceed. So, peace, gang. This is the video.
Fucking clock out.
Yo, vlog.
Be so for real, dude. Ew, you clocked in, dumbass, so you did clock out.
Vlog, I just clocked in.
You have to
Yo.
wait a whole minute to clock out again.
Vlog, we out here closing the store. Type shit.
Hey, be so for real.
Vlog, yo.
I would kill myself.
Yo,
I would kill
vlog.
myself, Kenny.
Vlog. Type shit, man.
Kenny. Well, stop. Stop saying it.
Vlog, I'm not about to clock out. Alright, I gotta fix my sound. Hold up.